What is up, humanoids, human people, Muppets, whatever. Here we are. This thing has just shown up. This is the Verdy dunk. We will have full family for this, so we should have toddlers and preschool. Is that how it works? I can't remember. But we will have, I believe, all the way to size 15. They're not all here yet, so I'm not sure what we're going to have, but the raffle will start for these on Monday the 16th of September. So the shoes actually release on the 19th in skate shops, I believe, and the 20th elsewhere. Maybe sneakers. I'm not 100% sure. We're going to dial in all that information and let you know on Blue Tile SC's Instagram. Blue Tile SC on Instagram. We'll let you know all the details. I don't know them all yet. I do know that they are 130 bucks. I just posted a very high quality on-foot video on my Instagram, which is just David Blue Tile. They fit pretty true to size. Surprisingly, I thought that they would be kind of tight because of all the fur. They didn't fit super tight on me, so I would get an 11.5, which is typically what I get in most shoes, an 11.5. So there you go, 130 bucks. Raffle starts on Monday. Find your local skate shop. It's surprising to me how many comments I read on like sneaker posts, like where to get these and how can I get these, and I always strike out on these, and what website do I go to? It's best to find your local skate shop and figure out what their release details are. So without blabbing anymore, let's go ahead and look at this Visty dunk. Visty is a character by Verdy. Whoa. And this is your Blue Gaze Arctic Pink and Vision Blue. This is your Quick Strike box. Again, Quick Strike. This sale box doesn't mean it's a collab. It just means it's a Quick Strike. So all NikeSB Quick Strikes, with the exception of something I just got in, will come in this sale box. So we're going to talk about that exception a little bit later. And this is it. This shoe looks crazy. The buzz around these things is super nuts. My DMs have been blowing up for weeks now. So this is definitely the most anticipated, or the most energy around a release that we've had this year. The Futura was also super hyped. This one is kind of next level. Everybody's telling me their life stories about why this is important to them, and that's really awesome. I love it when a shoe kind of hits that chord or strikes that chord with someone. So kind of cool that we've got that story back on a NikeSB where it just really resonates with people. So yeah, this thing's gonna be crazy to skate in. It has this kind of fur. Well, it's not kind of fur. This damn thing is furry. But then it's got this kind of cool, like embossed, almost corduroy looking toe wrap right there. And then your this isn't your quarter panel, but this little heel wrap as well. It's got this kind of corduroy texture to it. It's like an embossed suede. So that's kind of sick. Leather swoosh on there, and your pink. Obviously, this is not turn and stitch. I do think that all of this fur will protect those stitches, so you don't have to worry about that if you are skating in these dunks, which might be crazy. But yeah, not turn and stitch. It would be very difficult to fold this material over and create a stitch and turn and stitch. So it's not turn and stitch, but it does have your ollie protection right here for your bottom two lace holes. And yeah, tons of details on this thing. I love this character. So the Visty and the Vic character were created by Verdy. One is just a happier version than the other, or one is just like a punk rock version, and the other is just a little more fluffy. So we do see this is the more obviously bubbly character of the two, I reckon. And then the black and white one is the more punk rock one. And that shoe will be represented as a friends and family, perhaps. I'm not sure. We don't get those details. But there is a black and white version of this that will be friends and family only. I don't know that any shops are getting that. I don't know that we will get it. I don't know much about it at all. But this is kind of cool. You've got this like heat stamped Nike branding on the heel, which is different. Just makes it look more playful, kind of like a I don't know, kind of like a Nickelodeon logo or something like that. It's kind of cool. So, and yeah, like I said, I just love this little character. It's pretty epic. I'm actually kind of jealous, or it's very inspiring seeing what this designer has done, because like, you know, we have our characters at Blue Tile, and I have all kinds of characters and like working on comics since I was a kid, but I never fully developed them like 40 years later. And so to see what this designer is doing, and he's got like fully developed characters and toys and rugs and all this sort of stuff, it's like, man, I need to get off my ass and do more stuff with the Blue Tile characters and with my other stuff that I work on in my personal life. So other designs and characters and stuff like that. So there's your NikeSB and Verdy branding right there on the tongue. This thing that keeps jingling around is probably the coolest part of this shoe, to be honest. I just love that keychain. Looks pretty sick. I wish it came with a toy, or I wish I could find like a vinyl toy of this. I would definitely, it might be out there. I haven't even looked, but I would like to have a little vinyl toy of this guy. So, you know, similar to my Concepts guy right there. On the outsole, you have this kind of yellowish or banana colored cream outsole, and then on the bottom you have that green color, but you do have that Phylon. It is tonal, but it does have a Phylon insert in this midsole right here for extra impact support. So that's pretty cool too. So you could skate in these. It's going to be wild, but you could skate in these. Again, one of the hardest things to show is these internal tongue straps right there, and then also your heel pods, your little memory foam heel pods for extra stability. Both of those things are just for stability and to keep the shoe on your foot securely when you're skating. If you pop your laces, it's going to stay on, and your tongue is going to stay centered on your foot. So let's look at the other shoe. It's all the same. Check it out. No other details on this shoe, but this one does have your alternate lace options in there. So the only color you don't get is the pink. So you do get the blue, green, and yellow. You just don't get a pink lace, which shouldn't be too hard to find. Here are your insoles right here. Same art on both. NikeSB branding. Zoom Air Pack for your heel, and then your Pour-On forefoot for all of this is for impact support. So these are pretty good insoles. They're very good insoles for, especially for dunks. Like if you compare it to other dunk insoles, these things are great. Guys, I think that's it. I'm gonna wrap this one up kind of quick. Again, we're gonna start our raffle for these on Monday. That's the 16th of September, and it'll probably run either until, I'm not sure if these were releasing on the 19th or the 20th in skate shops, so it'll run to the night before the release. Just pay attention to Blue Tile SC on Instagram and you'll get all of that information. They're 130 bucks and they're pretty true to size. They fit really nice, so keep that in mind when purchasing. Also, I usually do like a poll, a fit guide in the community section of this channel. Go over there and we'll let everybody vote on how this shoe fits. As it goes on, a lot of people end up voting. Sometimes 400 or 500 people will tell you how it fits, and most of the time people vote true to size. So just putting that out there. Thank you guys for watching. All the best, and love Blue Tile. Goodbye.